Greetings from Maximus. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I'm the career counselor of Maximus. Today, I'm going to explain few things on Salesforce Marketing Cloud training session. In today's Salesforce Marketing Cloud training, we will cover from basic to advanced level of the training. In case, if you are looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible. We do believe in complete customization of the training solution for one and all. Hence, if you are an individual or corporate, we will fix the training agenda as per your requirement or as per your project requirement and then deliver the training for you. Here is the agenda what our Salesforce Marketing Cloud trainer is going to cover in this video. What is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? That is the introduction. Its benefits: Salesforce Marketing Cloud detailed course content, certifications of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, prerequisites, Maximus trainer, what are the job opportunities available for Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Maximus introduction, corporate training benefits as well as individual training benefits, conclusion, and lastly, how to reach us or how to enroll with us for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud training partners. What is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a customer relationship management (CRM) platform designed for marketing professionals. Permit to generate and control any kind of trading relationships and campaigns with consumers. Through this Marketing Cloud, Salesforce contributes a platform to design and control all customized customer interactions. Salesforce Marketing Cloud provides information about the customer's actions that consumers can use to customize their interactions in real time. It includes integrated solutions for consumer journey management, email, mobile, social media, web personalization, advertising, content creation, content management, and data analysis. Next, what are the benefits of Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Please read all the benefits of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And the benefits are: through this, it becomes achievable to associate data from various sources and devices with this platform. Marketing Cloud allows the fusion of data to make all kinds of interactions much more organized with the help of artificial intelligence tools. This platform provides a tailored communication with customers based on their connection with the company. Marketing Cloud from Salesforce executes all measurements of the customer journey using different channels and devices, using artificial intelligence and the digital tool Google Analytics 360. Moving to the next part of the video, today's video, we have the Salesforce Marketing Cloud course content. Let's have a look on the standard course content that we have with us today. About the course content, the trainer has listed few topics for you, what he is going to cover in this video. So here are the topics for you. Let me read out the topics of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And the topics are configuration, email studio, mobile studio, web studio, analytic builder, journey builder, audience builder, automation. Whatever I have shown you here is the main course content. Basically, what our trainer has prepared for you for Salesforce Marketing Cloud training session. Moving on to the next, we have what are the certifications available for Salesforce Marketing Cloud? The Salesforce Marketing Cloud Administrator Authorization is designed for administrators who can configure Marketing Cloud products utilizing industry and product best practices. Candidates should be generally familiar with data structures in subscriber data management and can thoroughly navigate setup. Certified Marketing Cloud administrators can successfully troubleshoot account configuration and user requests. This is all about the Salesforce Marketing Cloud certification exam process. Here is the details of prerequisite, that is, who all are eligible to take part in Salesforce Marketing Cloud training learning session. There is no specific prerequisite for learning Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Any candidate with no knowledge in this can join the Salesforce Marketing Cloud training session and learn this in depth to start his career. Next we have why Maxmono Salesforce Marketing Cloud Trainer? It's because our trainers are real-time subject matter experts from corporate and have minimum of 10 to 15 years of experience in Salesforce Marketing Cloud field. They will tell you real-time industry Salesforce Marketing Cloud implementation challenges, what even they are facing in their day-to-day activities. They will also share with candidates about the case studies of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. The trainer will not only cover those topics, whatever they have listed down in the course content slide, but they will definitely make you project ready so that the candidate can easily start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud training session. They will eventually guide you for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud certification exam also, so that the candidate can pass the exam without any hindrance. What are the job opportunities available for Salesforce Marketing Cloud across the globe? If you are searching for job in India, probably I can say Naukri is the best platform available. Let's have a look at the Naukri platform. I've already opened it for you guys. I can see currently there are 11226. I repeat, 11226 job opportunities across India. Among these, the topmost locations are Bangalore being the top. There are 5035 job opportunities for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Then I can see Hyderabad, where there are 2156 job opening, and then Pune and many other locations available. Let me see how much package they are offering. I can see 3681 who all are ready to pay in between 6 to 10 lakhs. 2009 who all are ready to pay 25 to 50 lakhs. And one more thing I got to see, there is even 37 openings that is ready to pay more than 100 lakhs. Let's see which are the companies in India hiring for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Accenture being in the top, where there are 1035 job openings, 299 openings in IBM India, Capgemini, Oracle, and many others big companies are also hiring for Salesforce Marketing Cloud across India. And if you are looking for job opportunities across USA, then Dice is the best platform available. Let's have a look at Dice. In DICE currently, I get to see there are 31012 job openings in DICE for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. In DICE currently, I get to see there are 31012 job openings in DICE for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And the designations are Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engineer, Lead Salesforce Marketing Cloud, etc. And if anyone is looking for job across worldwide, then the LinkedIn is definitely the best platform to look for job across the globe. And in LinkedIn today there are 13291 job opening. I repeat, 13,291 job openings for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Let's say across the globe, who all are the companies hiring for Salesforce Marketing Cloud? In LinkedIn, I got to see Salesforce being the top, then followed by Deloitte, PwC, Accenture in India, Dice, etc. These are the top companies hiring for Salesforce Marketing Cloud across the world. And what are the top locations available? Currently, USA being in the top for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Then comes our India, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, etc. And what kind of industries are hiring for Salesforce Marketing Cloud? First being the banking, internet, management consulting, finance, hospital and healthcare, etc. These are the top companies who all are hiring for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Let's go back to our main slide. We have already gone through all these top countries in Naukri, Dice, as well as in LinkedIn. And these are the names of the top companies we already got to see from all these three job portals. Why one should choose Maximus Training Institution? Maximus Institution is a 15-year-old corporate training and project consulting company. If we have to talk about our company Maximus, we are one of the top technologies training company in niche technologies across USA, India, UK, Europe, and various parts in UAE. Maximus has successfully conducted more than India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel, and Singapore, or say any country. We have also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. These are the names of the top clients for whom we have already provided Salesforce Marketing Cloud training in India as well as outside India. Let's look into the next slide we have. What are the corporate training benefits of Salesforce Marketing Cloud from Maxponus? Customization of course content can be done as per the company's project requirement. We do actually provide implementation and configuration level of Salesforce Marketing Cloud training. Maxponus corporate training program helps employers to start working on projects from day one after the successful completion of the training session. Even you have the option to choose location, training mode, and your preferred schedule. We will definitely provide course completion certification to all the participants. Next, what from Maxponus? And the benefits are customized training to individual is our main USP. Experts trainer for individual project. Flexibility to select trainer and have live demo session with trainer before the starting of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud training. Each candidate will easily get to know the Salesforce Marketing Cloud certification exam process in details.